Hello my friend, what's going on? My name is Vitaly Dubinin, founder of Blogging Success Academy, and today's episode number 13 of my daily inspirational show for home business entrepreneurs, where my goal is to inspire you and give you some ideas to help you move a little bit closer to living your dream life. And today I want to talk to you about building your brand online. And this is something that a lot of home business entrepreneurs struggle with because they don't understand how critically important it is to build your brand online in order to create long-term, profitable, successful, and thriving online business. And that is because people hate to be sold, but people love to buy from people that they know, like, and trust. All right? So I want you to start thinking about yourself as a brand. And now, how do you become a brand online? And the answer is very simple. You become a brand online when you consistently, and I repeat, consistently create awesome content that is actually adding value and helping people. This is the only way that you can create a brand on the internet. There is no other way. All right? Now, some of you may be thinking right now, gosh, Vitaly, creating content every single day, it's so much work, man. It's so much work. Well, let me put it this way. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want freedom? How bad do you want your family to thrive? Because what do you have without a brand? Without a web presence? You have nothing. People don't know who you are, what value you share. If you don't teach people, if you don't provide great content, you have nothing. It's so important on the internet, especially in the home business industry, especially to build your brand on the internet. This is how you build long-term sustainable business. Now, I want you to imagine that you have a blog that has a lot of posts, a lot of articles out there, a lot of videos, a lot of content there. And there are 50,000, 70,000, 100,000 people every month coming to your blog and reading your stuff. Do you think your business is going to be successful and thriving? You bet. What if you have a YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers and hundreds of videos of content? Do you think that your business is going to be thriving? Of course it is. If you have a fan page on Facebook and you have 80,000 likes on your fan page, do you think that you will have a successful business? Of course you are. So you want to build your brand on different channels, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. I don't know how many people use Twitter these days, it's getting old, but Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and having your own blog. Now, having your own blog has a lot of advantages that other social media accounts don't have. Like, for example, you don't own your Facebook account, you don't own your YouTube account. They may shut you down for a particular reason, right? But most importantly, your blog is your piece of property on the internet that people can constantly, they come and it builds relationship with people 24/7. They can read your archives and see all this great value that you share. All of those channels are awesome. And you want to be consistently putting out value out there to the internet that actually helps people. This is how you build your brand online. All right? And when you do it consistently, this is a long-term business. If you are thinking that you're going to come online and make a quick buck and hide behind a computer and trying to get people to buy your stuff, this is not how businesses are built. In this specific industry especially, you need to come out and become a leader, become a brand. All right? And this is how you do it, by hustling, by being persistent like hell, by being consistent and adding value to other people. This is how you build your brand. So start thinking about yourself as being a brand. Put value out there. Put in the work right now, because what the work that you are doing right now, in 6 months, in a year, in 2 years, it's going to change your life completely. because you'll have a following, you'll have a brand online, you'll have a web presence, and your confidence are going to rise because you know that you hold value for people. So don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, challenge yourself, build your brand online. And this is it for today's episode. It's been Vitaly Dubinin with my daily inspirational show. And remember to dream bigger and think bigger and play even bigger. I'll talk to you tomorrow.